Today, I'm sharing a simple yet powerful DIY skincare secret that help brighten, clear, and refresh your skin naturally. Start with honey, 1 tablespoon. Add 1 teaspoon of calamansi. Then, 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix everything well until smooth. Your natural glow mask is ready. This a powerful blend of honey, calamansi, and coconut oil is a packed with nutrients that support both skin health and overall wellness. Honey helps moisturize and fight acne with its antibacterial properties, while calamansi brightens skin and help lighten the dark spot. Coconut oil deeply nourish, keeping your skin soft, smooth, and hydrated. Together, this mix acts as a natural antioxidant-rich treatment that can help improve your skin glow, support hair health, and even boost immune system. Use it as a mask or a simple tonic and glow from the inside out.